representing quantities in 10 frames. We're working on Modules 5 and Lesson 2 and on 2 pages 79. Pause this video and get out your Oracle workbooks, your math notebooks, and go ahead and get some pencils and crayons out. Unpause when you're ready. Today we're learning how to represent quantities and numbers 0 to 10. We're going to be using words, pictures, and symbols just like before, but now we're going to add 10 frames to it. So, as always, number 1, think about what that word represents and what it means to you. 2, discuss and tell someone what that word means to you. And 3, draw a picture what that word represents means to you. Pause the video, do these activities, and come back to me. Alright, so our vocabulary today: represent, digit, viewer, more, quantities, amount, compare, place value, greater than, less than, and equal. They should seem similar because we just went over them. Match them, talk about them, but press play to see if I'm correct. So I'm going to go fast. Represent means to show with pictures. A digit is a number. Fewer is less. More is bigger or greater. Quantity is amount. That's another name for a number. Compare means to talk about the differences. Place value, greater than, less than, and then equal to. Alright, so today again we're talking about those numbers 0 to 10 and how to represent them. So let's quickly go through and count our numbers. And if you notice, next to each of our number, numeral, word, and pictures, we've added the make 10 frame. You've been using these all along, so it should be nothing new. Let's go quickly. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you notice the make 10 frames and the pictures are organized the same way. Look at number 6, where there are 5 on top and 1 on bottom. Keep that in mind as it will help you to represent those in 10 frames. So, as always, we have a process, and it's going to sound the same as before because it is. First, we're going to identify that quantity or amount, and we're going to be using that on the make 10 frame. Then we're going to identify that numeral, then the picture to match it, then the word to match with it, and then last, we're going to complete anything that we may be missing. So let's go get started. First, here's an idea. Again, don't do anything, just follow along with me. I want to complete the table for the numeral 5. Well, 5 is my given numeral, so I match it up to the number 5. Right next to it, I have that word, F-I-V-E. The new part, we have that make 10 frame, and for us, I'm going to complete and fill out the top 5, and the picture is right there next to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and do one more I do, but you again, pay attention, don't do anything. I'm going to complete the table for the numeral 7. 7 is my numeral. The word is next to it, S-E-V-E-N. My make 10 is right there. 5 on top, 2 on the bottom. And then my picture is right there. Alright, let's go ahead and get you to do it. And remember, it should be super easy. You've done it before. So now we're just identifying and making those make 10 frames. So, pause the video and complete this table, numeral, word, make 10 frame, picture, for the numeral 8. Pause the video, and when you're done, come back to me. Alright, so the numeral 8, right there in blue, the word, E-I-G-H-T. We have our make 10 frame with 5 on top and 3 on bottom, and the picture is similar to that. How'd you do? Next one's on your own, the numeral 9. Pause this video, complete the table, numeral, word, make 10 frame and picture, and come back to me. Alright, so let's start. The numeral is in green, 9. The word, N-I-N-E, make 10 frame. me to represent 8 on the Make 10 frame. Awesome, awesome. Do that. Take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom. Lastly, the same activity we did yesterday, I want you to do it again, but this time I want you to draw the Make 10 frames with these numerals. So with the words, pictures, and numerals, draw also the 10 frames for the numerals 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. After you do that, take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom. Our last activity today, class, is to think about and remember, how can you represent numbers 1 through 10 when using